Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Vlogs. It is Sunday, May 20th, and we're me, our dad, and Allison, she's out there somewhere. We are in like Brookfield Park, Essex County, I don't know what town. And it is for once, a beautiful day. It's nice and sunny, 80 degrees, beautiful day. Allison has a soccer game, as usual, every Sunday. And this place is huge and beautiful. Maybe do some exploring, who knows. But yeah, it's just a nice, beautiful day, and next week is Memorial Day. At least if you live in the US, if you live somewhere else probably. Alright, so we're here on the field, just for once, whenever I vlog on the weekends. It is a nice, beautiful day. See, it's not rainy, not cold, just a nice, beautiful day in a place that I've never been. Maybe I could explore a bit, because I love exploring places. First of all, there are dogs here. I love dogs. I'm getting a cold. And yeah, colds are never fun. So yeah, whatever. Just waiting for the game to start. If I do something, I'll vlog it. Alright guys, so I'm exploring. The game is somewhere over there. Just taking in all the beautiful stuff that we have here in this place I've never been. Hopefully I don't get lost, because that would not be fun. Though I do have my phone, so I know where to go. But yeah, just so beautiful here. Just nice trees, nice nature. Oh yeah, and also I said I had a cold, so my voice is kind of messed up. It just doesn't sound too good, and what the heck? Looks like someone was camping here. Oh well, okay. Yeah, so if you're wondering where Justin is, fortunately the next few weekends, me and him, we really aren't gonna be able to hang out. Not because we were like, or not because of like anything we did, just because June, next few weekends, because next weekend is Memorial Day weekend, and just hanging out with your friends, unless you're barbecuing together or something, that's like, it's hard to do. Especially, like, you know that if you live in the U.S., how Memorial Day weekend works. And, well, so, yeah, then after that it's June, and, well, just June, it's always an annoying month to just do anything with friends on the weekends. Just because, just kind of the nature of everything, because every weekend we do something, at least we always do something, like, as a family, because first weekend in June, 2 weeks from now, Allison, she has a dance recital, and her grandparents are coming up to visit, so yeah. Then the weekend after that, the 10th, it's Allison's birthday. She's turned 13, oh no, she's becoming a teenager. So, well, and then the week after that, it's Father's Day weekend, so we always do something. We have a barbecue or other stuff, and then that Friday afterwards, that's our last, me, Allison, Justin, our cousins, that's all of our last weeks of school. So that Friday, there will be a graduation, or we're going to see me and Allison, our cousins that are graduating from our high school. So we'll see them. Maybe if we go, I'll film the ceremony, even though it's probably not going to be all that exciting. Then probably that weekend there may be a graduation party for them. Who knows? I don't. And then it's pretty much summer vacation, at least for us. Because we still aren't. School ends on the June 22nd, a month from Tuesday, at least for us. I don't know about other schools, but that's pretty late. But oh well. So yeah, I'm just chilling out here. It's really beautiful, I must say. I've said that like a million times. So yeah, I don't know. I think probably when I get home I'll do like a falling down video just by myself or with Allison. Because I don't know, doing it here would be kind of awkward. And plus, I would need someone to hold the camera. And I don't want to go like one of these random people to just have them say, hey, hold my camera so I can fall. That'd be kind of weird. But yeah, just exploring, checking out the beautiful lands here. I'll update you guys. Track. There's a track. Oh yeah, and by the way, I do spring track. Our final meet is, at least for me, it's Tuesday. I'm not gonna vlog it. It's so boring. It's like, we don't do anything, at least besides running. So yeah, if you wanted to see track footage, you won't see it. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably have seen something. Or you'll definitely see something on Tuesday or Wednesday afterwards. But in terms of like vlogging, nah. It's just like, you'd have to do something. Like, it's so boring just not doing anything. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Still exploring. Soccer fields, I've actually gone like full circle, or half circle there. Is they are right there. Exploring. Okay, I'm officially gonna become king of the hill. The top. Almost there. Jump over this vlog once I get to it. I am the king of the park. Haha. No one can stop me. I am invincible. Why am I saying this? Oh boy, what a beautiful place. Why don't we have this in Bergen County? Because we're in a different county. It's a different part of the state. Why don't we have this in our county or nearby? Because this is like 30 minutes away from our house. And wow, that really wore me out going up that hill. Jumping and vaulting over that log. More like branch, but whatever you want to call it. It's just, oh man. Some good, seriously, like if you do photography, today would be a perfect day for you to be here. If you're interested in photography. Photography, not photography. It's not even a real word, but yeah. I think I'm just gonna head back now since it's right over there. Just those are nice little walk. I'll meet you guys back at the game. And yeah, if anything happens as usual, I'll just record it. But yeah, just for now, just gonna be enjoying the nice solitude of nature. Surrounded by a road. Okay, going down. I'm yelling timber. Why am I doing this? You wanna dance? You know, I wish this was like Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild and I had a paraglider. I could just glide on. I could just jump and glide down. It'd be so fun. But alas, life isn't like that. And whoa, watch out for the branch. Almost poked my eye out. Branch almost killed me. Gee, and look at this tree. People have carved into it. It looks like it got some damage in the last storm because seriously, the weather lately, it's been crazy. This past week it has been rainy like crazy and cold. Tuesday night we had thunderstorms and so many trees are down. Power's not out, but just trees are down like crazy. And sorry about the weather. It's and the game's commencing. Can't see, let me zoom in. Come on, someone get in. There we go. There they are. Like, yeah. Alright. But yeah, let's just make our way back over there. It's really fun. Seriously, if only this were closer, we'd come here like all the time. Or I would. Because it's so beautiful. These are nice day like that. Nice. Sunny. Oh yeah, now afterwards, me and Allison's mom, she has a softball game. So we'll go there. Or first, we'll go home. I'll edit all this into my laptop, and then I think I'll record like a falling down video, or at least a jump fail video, I mean. And I don't know. I think I'll upload that because that won't be long. Probably have not much editing. I'll upload that. I'll probably head out to the game and just finish off the day. Just yeah, nice end to a good day. Alright, so I'm back here in my chair. I don't know what the score is. Still, good day. Said that like 10 times this video, I don't know. Allison, I don't even know if she's playing. Actually, yeah, there she is. All the way back there. There she is. So yeah, just chilling, relaxing, improving my tan. Oh yeah, and finally you can actually see my legs, since normally they're covered up by pants. My chunky legs and my scar. It's right here. Kind of see it on the camera. Got that from the track. My beautiful, beautiful shoes. Yeah, my arms, yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I'm showing my arms and my legs, but I'm just kind of tired. But, yeah.
Oh, oh, keep going, Emma.
Allison just scored a goal. It was like, she was there, then just wink into the goal. Sorry, my finger was getting zoomed in. It's a bit better. Just like, wherever that woman is, right into the goal. I wish I knew it was happening. I wish I had Ultra Instinct. I knew things would happen before they did. Allison, she is, where is she? I don't even know. I think she may be on the side. Oh, another goal maybe? Why am I so zoomed in?
Nice.
Oh, maybe, possibly. This could be good. No. Maybe. Maybe, I don't know. Never mind.
Keep going now.
Alright, so it's game's over. And as you can see, storm may come in. I don't know. My weather app says no, but what do they know? They're not actually here. I'm starting to feel some drops. Putting the chairs back. Car. It's right over there. And yeah, I'll interview Allison, or see Allison, see her opinion on her game. They won, I think. Anyway, just gotta get to the car. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you had a great weekend. And and just if you like this video, remember to hit that like button and also subscribe. And I will see you guys next time, which the next vlog, which actually no, later. I don't know, in a little bit, me and Allison, we want to, after this gets uploaded, me and Allison will do like a jump fail video, first one, and then I'll see you on Fridays, and also subscribe and like that, the jump fail video too, and we'll see you on Friday, because me and Allison, our school, because we didn't use up all our snow days, and yes, that's a thing up here in New Jersey. Your snow days, you got 4, at least for us. We didn't use up all of them, so we're gonna get it back this Friday. So this Friday we don't have school, so we may vlog. So I'll vlog if I'm doing something interesting. So, but most likely you'll see me Friday, but it depends. Possibly Friday, most likely Saturday. And that's Saturday. That is none other than next weekend. Memorial Day, it's here, which means the beginning of summer. Anyway, guys, see you guys next time, and follow me down below on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.